In this video, we will show you how to block AI bot from scraping your websites. If you have a website or website owner, maybe you are worrying about how AI bot can scrape your contents. To prevent that, you can using Cloudflare. With Cloudflare, you can block automatically the AI bot and with easy way. How to do that? First, you need to connect your website with Cloudflare. After connect with Cloudflare, you can just click your domain name here. Okay. After you click your domain name, in the left menu, you will see AI audit. Just click them and you can see there are many AI bots in here that can scrape your website's content. Okay. You can enable to block the AI. You can see this is the block for AI. And for example, you will see there is ChatGPT user. If you click this, so ChatGPT user, this is from OpenAI, cannot access your websites. Okay, for scraping the contents. And to enable, you can just click on like this. Okay, there are many bot here, like Cloud Bot. This is from Cloud AI. Okay, and Cloud Search Bot. This is also from Cloud. And many others boots like GPT boot. Okay, you can see this is boot from GPT or OpenAI, and you can one by one like this. For example, for easy way, the Anthropic it is this is came from Cloud, and Apple for ByteDance. Okay, that is from Google. don't don't take this on because Google is very important to our websites. Okay, and you need just find the AI that do you don't want to scrap your website and toggle on the configurations. Okay, and that's all tutorial how you can block AI from scraping your websites. Okay, maybe if you're a website owner and don't want to share your content with AI or training the AI with your contents, this is something is very helpful. And that's all tutorial how you can block AI from scraping your websites. Thanks for watching.